Hello and welcome to the video. This is a follow-up to this video here that I did just a week ago, and this was for this M6D little 2-port charger. Now for those of you that spotted it, there was a giveaway at the end, and if you put ToolKitRC in the comment, you were in with a chance of winning. So thank you to everybody that did that. I love the way that people actually even put the parenthesis in as well, so that'll work. So we're going to use the random comment picker. Ooh, hang on a minute. This has changed since last time I did it. I'm kind of doing this live as I'm recording it. Okay. Okay, we'll just continue with random cookies. So what I need to do is go and paste in the URL, filter duplicate users, and then also filter on specific text, which is going to be the, is going to be ToolKitRC. Let's cut and paste that in. Oh, hang on. I'm having a senior moment. Copy. Paste. There we go. That's better. Right. YouTube comments. There we go. So now we've got everybody. The winner of the charger is Greg D393. Is that who you are? There you are, Greg. Oh, cool. He's got subscriptions listed. Always fun to see if you're actually on there. Yeah, you are, fab. Not everyone does that, so it's not really a prerequisite, but it's always fun to see. I see you got Maker's Muse on here and Musty One as well. I love watching Musty One's stuff. He is fabulous. Cool. Okay, so Greg D393, congratulations. Send me an email with your address details to lee@painless360.com and I'll get this out to you. There'll be a 7-day limit on this. If you haven't responded to me by Monday next week, I'll do the draw again. But don't worry, everybody, if you didn't win, there are more things coming to the channel. Thank you for watching my video and watching right to the very end. If you want to find out what I'm currently working on, you can follow me on social media by searching for Painless360 in the usual places. If you'd like to become part of the inner circle, then you can become a Patreon. Details are in the description and you get lots of additional benefits. Check out the playlist section on the channel too. I organise all of my videos into playlists and it's called something like Introduction to or for Beginners. All of the content is aimed so that you can start at the very beginning and it teaches you that subject, starting with simple principles and moving up to teach you everything you need to know.